Hello student, see exercise 12.1 on Heron's formula. There is question number 5 that sides of a triangle are in the ratio 12:17:25 and its perimeter is 540 centimeter. Find its area. So student, first of all we have to find what are the sides of this triangle, because here the ratio of the sides are given. There are three sides of the triangle. Let this side BC is small a, because this is the side which is opposite to the vertex capital A. Let this side AC is small b and this side AB is small c. We know that suppose you have three numbers 1, 2, 3. If I multiply these two numbers by 2, then I get 2, 4, 6. So it means here I am multiplying these three numbers by 2. So 2, 4, 6, these are the numbers which are proportional to this 1, 2, 3. If I multiply these three numbers by 3, then I get 3, 6, 9. These three numbers are also in multiplication proportional with 1, 2, 3. If I multiply this number by 4, then I get 4, 8, 12. These are also proportional because there is a number, one constant k. If we multiply the given these three numbers by constant k, then the numbers formed are also proportional to the given numbers. So students, here ABC are three sides. Suppose now the ratio of these three sides are given. So I am considering that let ABC are, let small a, small b and small c are three sides of triangle ABC. I am considering triangle ABC. There we see here, if I multiply this 1, 2, 3 by 2, then here 1 upon 2 equal to 2 upon 4 equal to 3 upon 6. I am getting 1 by 2. Or this 2 by 1, you can take the 2 by 1, 4 by 2, 6 by 3. I am getting 2 because I have multiplied by 2. If I 4 by 1, 8 by 2, then 12 by 3. So I have multiplied by 4 these three numbers. So therefore 4, 8, 12 are proportional. So let I am multiplying these three numbers by k suppose, and therefore constant ratio. Therefore these three numbers A is to B is to C, this ratio that is given 12:17:25. Therefore this ratio I can take A upon 12 equal to B upon 17 equal to C upon 25. Let this constant is k suppose, say k. Therefore A equals to, equating A upon 12 equal to k, so I get 12k, B equals to 17k and C equal to 25k. So these numbers will also be in proportional. So now I have to find what is k, but the perimeter of these three sides is given, that is 540 centimeter. Okay, as perimeter P equals to 540 centimeter. Therefore adding all three sides, 12k plus 17k plus 25k, that will be equals to 540, right? Therefore this is I think 54k. You add all this number, that is equals to 540. This implies k equals to 10. There what is A? To find out A, therefore A equals to, what is A is 12k, 12 into 10, that is 120. B equals to, B is 17 into k, that is 10. 17 into 10, that is 170. C equal to 25 into 10, that is 250. So students, these are three sides of the triangle. If you add these three sides, you will get 540. Now as perimeter is given, therefore as perimeter is 540, so S will be equals to what is semi-perimeter? Semi-perimeter will be half of perimeter, that is half into 540, so which comes 270. Therefore S equal to 270. So S is known to you, A, B, C are known to you, right? Therefore area of triangle. Therefore area of triangle equal to, using Heron's formula. Using Heron's formula, first you have to write the formula. What is the formula? S into bracket S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. So that is equals to under root. What is S? S is 270 into 270 minus A is 120. 120 into 270 minus what is B? B is 170 into 270 into what is C? C is 250. Okay, so this is equals to under root 270. Okay, this 270, then 270 minus 120, 150, 270 minus, that is 100 into this will be 20, 270 minus 250, that is equals to 270 into let us factorize this so that we can take common from, we can take outside the numbers, we can take square root. So 270, that is 9 into 30, 9 into 30, this is 30 into 5, 30 into 5, right? This is 150. The 100 means 10 into 10. Okay, then 20 means 10 into 2. So this is equals to I can take this 10 into 10 common. Okay, 110 common, 30 into 30 common, 30 common, then okay, write down. This is 9, I can also take square root, 3 into 3, this 9 is 3 into 3, 30 I have taken common, is 5 into 10 can be written as 5 into 2 into this 2. Okay, so I am writing here, that is equals to, sorry, this is 10 into 30, again see what can we take out of this square root. This 3 can be taken, 5 and 2 also, so into 5 into 3 into 2 also, so that is equals to, this is 30 into 10, 300 into 10, this 10 into 3, 30, that is 9,000 centimeter square, 9,000 centimeter square. Therefore the student, area of this triangle is 9,000 centimeter square. Hello students, now see question number 6 in exercise 12.1. What is given? An isosceles triangle has perimeter 30 centimeter. See here we have an isosceles triangle whose perimeter is 30 centimeter, that is the sum of all three sides is 30 centimeter, and each of equal sides, और जो दो equal sides है वो 12-12 centimeter की है. तो find the area of the triangle. Okay, so we have to find first of all three sides of this triangle. So solution. Let small a, small b and small c are the sides sides of a triangle. Suppose I am taking triangle ABC. Okay, what is given here? You have isosceles triangle A, B and C. Okay, this side is A, this is B and this is C, suppose. And suppose these two sides are equal, this side and this side, these two sides are equal. Okay, so as two sides are equal, let AB and AC are equal. Therefore, ABC equals to 12 centimeter and this B will also be equals to 12 centimeter, right? So two sides are known, but the perimeter, now perimeter that is A plus B plus C, that is equal to P. So put the values of A is not known to you, B is given, that is 12 plus C is 12 equal to P is 30. Therefore A plus 24 equal to 30. Therefore A equal to 30 minus 24 and hence A equal to 6 centimeter. Now A is known to you, so therefore A equal to 6 centimeter, B equal to 12 centimeter and C equals to also 12 centimeter. As perimeter is equals to 30 centimeter, 30, therefore as semi perimeter will be 15, half of perimeter. Therefore area of triangle ABC, what are the triangle is given, that is equals to under root S into S minus A, S minus B into S minus C. This is equals to, what is S now? S is 15 into 15 minus what is A, 6 into 15 minus what is B, that is 12 into 15 minus what is C, that is also 12. So this is equals to 15 minus this 6, that is 9, 15 minus 12, that is 3, 15 minus 12 also 3. So I can write this 15 as 5 into 3, 9 as 3 into 3 and this is 3 into 3. So take this pair, instead of 3 into 3 I can take 3 as outside the square root into this is also 3 into 3, so 1 3 can be taken outside the square root and in under root 5 into 3, that is 15. So this is equals to 9 root 15 centimeter square. Therefore students, area of this triangle is 9 root 15 centimeter square. So in this way we can find the area of the triangle. Sometimes isosceles triangle and the perimeter will be given, or sometimes perimeter and two sides will be given. In that case you have to find the third sides and get the semi perimeter and go for this Heron's formula, you will get the answer. Thank you. Okay students, now see next question. Next example is a triangular park ABC. This is triangular park ABC. ABC is a triangle, that is triangular park, has sides, let this is 120 centimeter, it is meter, 120 meter, this side of BC, this side BC, let this is 50 meter, this AB, and let this is 80 meter. Okay, a gardener, Dhania, she has to put a fence all around it. उस धनिया को क्या करना है कि इस ट्रायंगुलर जो उसका गार्डन है उसको उसके तीनों साइड तरफ उसको फेंसिंग करना है, ठीक है। हाउ मच एरिया डज शी नीड टू प्लांट, उसको अगर प्लांटिंग करना है अंदर इस ट्रायंगुलर पार्क में तो वो एरिया कितना होगा जिसमें उसको प्लांटिंग करना है। फाइंड द कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग आल्सो, उसको फेंसिंग करने के लिए कितना खर्चा आएगा विथ बार्ब्ड वायर, उसको बार्ब्ड वायर लगाना है तीनों तरफ। एट द रेट ऑफ 20 रुपीज़ पर मीटर, 1 मीटर बार्ब्ड वायर 20 रुपये का है। लिविंग स्पेस ऑफ 3 मीटर वाइड फॉर गेट ऑन वन साइड, उस ट्रायंगुलर पार्क के एक साइड की तरफ उसको 3 मीटर का यहाँ पे गैप छोड़ना है, 3 मीटर छोड़ के बाकी जगहों पर उसको फेंसिंग करना है, वायर लगाना है, बार्ब्ड वायर। तो बार्ब्ड वायर की कीमत जो है 20 रुपये पर मीटर है। तो अभी हम क्या करते हैं, इसका पूरा पेरीमीटर निकाल लेते हैं ट्रायंगल का, उसमें से ये 3 मीटर जो है उसको माइनस करते हैं तो कितना बार्ब्ड वायर लगेगा। तो 1 मीटर बार्ब्ड वायर 20 रुपये का, तो उसको बार्ब्ड वायर का खर्चा कितना आएगा। ओके, सो हियर फॉर फाइंडिंग here let or it is given also, not here, 3 sides of triangular park are A equals to, I am taking 120 meter, B equals to 50 meter and C equals to, okay, no problem, 80 meter. You can take any ABC, 80 meter, okay. Therefore, perimeter, let's find out perimeter. Perimeter equals to A plus B plus C, that is 120 plus 50 plus 80, that is 120 plus 80 200 and this 50 250 meter. So perimeter is 250, but C wants to leave 3 meter wide here a gap for to make a gate. Therefore total barbed wire require कितना होगा, 250 माइनस 3 मीटर, इस गेट के लिए छोड़ दो तो ये होगा 247 मीटर, इतना उसको बार्ब्ड वायर चाहिए। अभी 1 मीटर बार्ब्ड वायर 20 रुपये का, देयरफॉर टोटल cost of barbed wire at the rate of ₹20 per meter, that is equal to 247 into 20, है ना। So it comes ₹4940, तो इतने रुपए का तो उसको बार्ब्ड वायर लगेगा। Now you have to find out how much area she has to plant. So you have to find the area of the triangle ABC. Now in triangle ABC, I have taken A is equal to 120 meter, B equals to 50 meter and C equals to 80. Okay, and what is S? Perimeter is 250. I have to find the area. Area will be the same, though there is a gate, but the land inside this triangular park will be the same. Okay, therefore S is equal to 250 divided by 2, that is 125. Okay, therefore area of the what's we have to find how much area does she needs to plant. Area of land needs to plant, that is area of the triangle, is equals to under root s into s minus a s minus b into s minus c. So that is equals to under root, what is s, 125 into 125 minus what is a is 120 into 125 minus what is b is 50 into 125 minus what is c, that is 80. So which comes under root 125 into 125 minus 120, that is 5, 125 minus 50, that is 75, and 125 minus this 80, that is 45. Okay, so equals to 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. Okay, then again this 5, then this 75, 15 into 7, so that can be 3 into 5, that is 15 into 7, and this 45 can be done 9 into 5 means 3 into 5. Now let us take outside this 5 into 5 means 1 5 will come outside the square root, this 5 will come outside the square root, then this 5 and this 5 means 1 5 can also be taken, then this 3 and this 3, 1 3. Okay, then we will remain with in under root this 7 into 3. I think see 3 and 7 21 15 oh sorry 15, it will be see here 125, this 3 times this 5, this will be 15 into 5, sorry, it will be 5, 15 into 5, 75. Okay, so again this 5 and this okay, this 5 and this 3 are remaining, so 5 into 3, so this is 25 into 15 into root 15, so that is equals to 25 into 15, that is 375 under root 15 meter square. Okay, therefore 375 root 15 meter square meter area she has to plant. Okay students, thank you.